Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root of 2 power square root 18 minus square root x is equals to 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So square root of n we can write it as n power 1 by 2. So similarly root 2 we can write it as 2 power 1 by 2. Then multiply square root 18 minus square root x barabar is equals to 4. We can write it as 2 square. Now we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 1 by 2 under square root 18 minus square root of x is equals to 2. Now I'm going to multiply with 2 both sides. So we can cancel out this. So square root of 18 minus square root of x is equals to 4. If I'm doing squaring both sides, so this square root eliminates with the help of this square. So 18 minus square root of x is equals to 16. So 18 minus 16 is equals to square root of x. So 2 is equals to square root of x. If again I am doing squaring both sides, so x is equals to 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.